Meaning of GMTV.
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 GMTV. GMTV stands for Good Morning Television, which was a breakfast television program broadcast on the ITV network in the United Kingdom from 1993 to 2010. The program featured a mix of news, weather, human interest stories, and interviews with celebrities and experts in various fields. It was one of the most popular programs on British television and helped to launch the careers of many presenters. GMTV played a significant role in shaping the breakfast TV landscape in the UK, paving the way for other successful shows like BBC Breakfast and Daybreak.